All right, folks, here we are with
Now,
Scotty Reynolds.
I'm really, because it was listed
and little Scotty
as new open box. But because, in other words, they opened the box. And I'm really hoping that it is what it listed, because they had to list it as used because it was open box. So, we'll see how this plays out. Nice little picture of it right there on the side.
What does that say?
A 3D printer, CR-10, Shenzhen, Creality, 3D technology.
Yeah, this is in
company,
another
LTD.
language, John.
Yeah, we just saw your FedEx driver.
There you
Did he
go.
actually walk his ass
Oh,
down
that's
here
what it
this time?
says.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did he actually walk his ass down here this time?
Shenzhen. Hey, man, you better be careful, dude.
Pull up. So
This
I
came
got-
from Shenzhen. It could have that Corona.
No, this was shipped from New York.
Oh.
It's been in the United States.
They're not shipping anything right now from overseas.
No, they're not.
But it could have had a precursor to
I
Corona.
bought this from an individual, not the
With
not
lime.
the Creality site.
Just drink some Corona. You'll fix the problem instantly.
Got more tape here.
Hello.
We were trying to figure out who was here. We're only here for a minute.
Small child.
Hello.
Looks good. That's a big print base.
You gonna pull it out in here and get it all dirty?
No, I'm just looking to make sure it's all there. Everything looks all sealed up. And I'll take it home and set it up this evening.
Yeah, he will.
See about set up a big program and let it run all night.
Well, that just shortened your day by about an hour, Scotty.
Nice. All right. Well, it looks good.
All right. There you have it, folks. Scotty Reynolds getting his second 3D printer.